Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Aerial Minds, the go-to destination for the latest and greatest in the world of technology. I will guide you on this exciting journey through the ever-evolving landscape of innovation on Tech Trends 2023, navigating the digital landscape. Artificial intelligence, AI, integration. Artificial intelligence, AI, continues to be a transformative force across industries. In 2023, businesses are increasingly leveraging AI to enhance operational efficiency, automate routine tasks, and derive meaningful insights from vast datasets. Machine learning algorithms are becoming more sophisticated, enabling applications in areas such as predictive analytics, natural language processing, and computer vision. AI is not only streamlining business processes but also improving customer experiences through personalized interactions. In healthcare, AI is aiding in diagnostics and drug discovery, while in finance, it's optimizing risk management and fraud detection. As AI adoption grows, ethical considerations and responsible AI practices are gaining prominence, influencing the development and deployment of AI systems. 5G expansion. The rollout of 5G technology is a pivotal development in the tech landscape. In 2023, the expansion of 5G networks is facilitating faster and more reliable wireless communication. This not only improves the speed of mobile internet but also opens up new possibilities for emerging technologies. Industries such as augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and the Internet of Things, IoT, benefit from the low latency and high bandwidth offered by 5G, enabling more immersive experiences and efficient data transfer. The widespread adoption of 5G is also influencing smart city initiatives, autonomous vehicles, and the connectivity of various IoT devices. As the infrastructure matures, 5G is expected to be a catalyst for innovative applications and services. Cybersecurity innovation. With the escalating frequency and sophistication of cyber threats, cybersecurity remains a top priority in 2023. The tech industry is witnessing continuous innovation in cybersecurity measures. Artificial intelligence and machine learning play a crucial role in threat detection, identifying patterns, and responding to security incidents in real time. Blockchain technology is increasingly integrated into cybersecurity strategies, enhancing the security of transactions and sensitive data. Zero trust security models, which assume that threats may exist both inside and outside a network, are gaining traction. As organizations navigate an evolving threat landscape, cybersecurity measures are becoming more proactive and adaptive. Extended reality, XR. Extended reality, XR, encompassing augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and mixed reality, is advancing rapidly. In 2023, XR technologies are finding applications across diverse industries. In healthcare, surgeons use AR for precision in surgeries, and VR is employed for therapeutic interventions. In education, XR enhances immersive learning experiences, making complex concepts more accessible. The gaming industry continues to drive XR innovation, creating more realistic and engaging virtual worlds. Moreover, businesses are exploring XR for employee training, collaborative design processes, and virtual meetings. As XR technologies become more sophisticated and accessible, their impact on various aspects of daily life is expected to grow. Quantum computing developments. Quantum computing is an area of intense research and development. While practical, large-scale quantum computers are not yet a reality in 2023, progress is being made in terms of quantum hardware, algorithms, and error correction. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize computation by solving complex problems exponentially faster than classical computers. Industries such as finance, materials science, and cryptography stand to benefit from quantum computing's unique capabilities. Researchers are exploring quantum algorithms for optimization, machine learning, and simulations. As the field advances, collaborations between industry, academia, and governments are essential to address the challenges associated with scaling quantum systems. Sustainable tech solutions. The tech industry is increasingly recognizing the importance of sustainability. In 2023, there is a growing emphasis on developing and adopting environmentally friendly technologies. This includes the use of renewable energy sources to power data centers, the implementation of energy-efficient hardware, and the adoption of sustainable manufacturing practices. Blockchain technology is being leveraged for transparent and sustainable supply chain management. Companies are committing to reducing their carbon footprint, and consumers are becoming more conscious of the environmental impact of the products and services they use. Sustainable tech solutions are not only an ethical imperative but also contribute to cost savings and long-term resilience. Edge computing. With the proliferation of Internet of Things, IoT, devices, edge computing is gaining prominence. In 2023, edge computing involves processing data closer to the source, reducing latency and improving response times. This is particularly critical for applications that require real-time processing, such as autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and industrial automation. Edge computing architectures are evolving to handle the increasing volume of data generated by IoT devices. This approach not only enhances efficiency but also addresses privacy concerns by keeping sensitive data closer to its origin. As edge computing matures, it is reshaping how data is managed, processed, and delivered in the digital landscape. Blockchain beyond cryptocurrency. While blockchain technology gained prominence through cryptocurrencies, its utility extends far beyond financial applications. In 2023, industries are exploring blockchain for secure and transparent transactions in areas such as supply chain management, healthcare, and digital identity verification. Blockchain's decentralized nature enhances security and trust in data exchanges. Smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code, are being used to automate and streamline processes. As the technology matures, regulatory frameworks are adapting to accommodate its various applications beyond the financial sector. Voice and natural language processing. Voice-activated technologies and natural language processing, NLP, are becoming increasingly sophisticated. In 2023, virtual assistants, powered by advanced NLP algorithms, are seamlessly integrated into various devices and services. This includes smartphones, smart speakers, and even appliances. Businesses are leveraging voice technology for customer service, enabling more natural and intuitive interactions. NLP is also playing a role in sentiment analysis, chatbots, and language translation services. As the accuracy and capabilities of voice and NLP technologies improve, they are becoming integral parts of our daily lives, transforming how we interact with digital systems. Remote work technology. The trend towards remote work, accelerated by global events, has prompted significant advancements in remote work technology. In 2023, businesses are adopting collaborative tools, project management platforms, and video conferencing solutions to facilitate seamless virtual collaboration. Cloud-based technologies are fundamental to supporting remote work, providing access to data and applications from anywhere. Cybersecurity measures for remote work are paramount, with a focus on securing remote access, protecting sensitive data, and ensuring the privacy of remote communication. Employee well-being is also a central consideration, leading to the development of tools that support mental health, work-life balance, and virtual team building. In conclusion, navigating the digital landscape in 2023 involves embracing a multitude of technological trends that are shaping the way we live and work. From the integration of AI in various industries to the expansion of 5G networks, each trend brings its own set of opportunities and challenges. As technology continues to evolve, staying informed and adaptable is key to harnessing the full potential of these advancements. Well, that wraps up another tech-packed episode here at Your Channel Name. I hope you enjoyed our deep dive into the fascinating world of technology. If you found this video insightful or entertaining, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button and subscribe for more updates.